Alluring ladies, hot rods, and muscle cars. Wild looking beauty here, and a 1927 Ford Track T. Alluring gal here, and a 1937 Dodge pickup. Here's an idolized girl, a 1957 Ford Custom Ranchero. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Mouth-watering fox here, and a 1967 Chevy Camaro Pro Street. Ooh-wee, here's a pleasing damsel, a 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.